Hello.
Propulsion valves that need to be open in case of an abort for the pad. Pressurizing out the tank. Securing our 2 copy.
What is your timer say?
250. FTS internal.
I don't know what I was going to say. I wasn't trying to be rude.
Software assessment. No, that's the left over.
That's what I'm trying to get him to do that for a minute and a half. Yeah. 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes and like 40 seconds.
2 minutes.
It's not exactly at 10:52. It's like 10:52 and 40 seconds. 159. 150.
See, I started.
Get a little closer. I want to get all you guys in the camera.
Hey, Daddy, look. Let's timer ends at 10:52 a.m.
Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, good. Well, maybe. Well, let's just listen to them, okay? Don't ignore your timer for now.
Starliner, lost on to auto. Lost on auto.
I called the emergency detection system on Atlas Detect Company.
Lost before range status. On screen. 54. POP starting.
Less than a minute.
Come on, this is still.
Go Starliner! Come on, bro. Keep them safe, dear Lord, please. Please keep them safe. You're in your hands.
Status check. Code Apple. Code Central. Go Starliner.
That's it. That's it.
So when you get to 0,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Dear Lord, be with them.
3, 2, 1, ignition. Drawing a line to the charge per hour.
wow.
Oh,
That's pretty fast. But it's more like 11.
Commander Butch, Wilmore, they're calling down to mission control here in Houston that the spacecraft began rolling its flat attitude for its process without establishing control officers.
it's just a cloud. You got it. That's right, girl. You make some noise. Cheeto, remember? Why is everybody cheering? What was the applause for? Did you catch it? I can't wait to watch the feed later. Wait, Rob, this is Beth's first launch on base, right?
On base, yeah. The crew now has the ability to initiate an abort manually if needed. All has been good so
Bless you.
far. Now 2 minutes into Starliner's flight, it's coming up on 5 off the Eastern Jettison at the 2 minute and 47 mark.
remember that. Somebody said, what's a tuxedo?
Yeah, that was GM's boy.
We can go to the supermarket right now. I can go to Lowe's. I can go to Lowe's.
Finally, that rocket launched. Finally, it went.
Jim, let's have like a mass party.
Oh man, I can feel my phone burning in my pocket. Everybody's messaging me. Oh, okay, yeah, we're not gonna see it through that cloud.
Yes! Woo! Through it. Oh,
Zip line rocking, baby.